Hello friends, this is one more video tutorial on Laravel, and in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to import Excel file data in Laravel framework. That means, how insert Excel file data in MySQL database in Laravel framework. We have already seen how to export MySQL data to Excel file by using mod website Excel package. So this package also, we will import Excel file data also. We all know, Laravel is enterprise level PHP framework, so if we have built any enterprise level application, then we have to require importing and exporting of data from our web application. For importing and exporting of data in our Laravel application, here we will mod website Excel package will be used for import Excel file data in MySQL database in our Laravel application. Now, let's start discussing this topic. So this is our testing database, and in this we have one customer table. In this table we have already inserted some data. First we will fetch data from customer data, and display on web page. After this we will import data from Excel sheet and insert into this customer table, which will be visible on web page. This is sample Excel sheet, in which we have store some customer data. We will import this data, in customer table, in this Laravel tutorial. This is our Laravel working folder. First we want to set database connection, so for this we have, go to config folder, and here we have open database.php file. In this file we have defined MySQL database configuration like host name set to localhost, username set to root, password set to blank and database name set to testing. After this, we have open.env file, and here also we have defined MySQL database configuration like host name set to localhost, database name set to testing, username set to root and password set to blank. Now we want to create import Excel controller, so we have go to command prompt, in which we have already run composer command, and here we have run this command. That command will make import Excel controller, file under app folder, /http folder / controller folder, which we can see here, so we have opened this file. Under this file, here we have write use statement with database. It has been used for database operations in this Laravel application. Under this controller, first, we have defined function index. This function will be called, if we have directly called base URL /import Excel in browser, then this function will be called. Under this function, we have write $data variable is equal to database class with table method. Under this we have write customer table. This method will make query like select star from customer table. After this we have write order by method, with 2 argument. In first argument we have write customer ID table column, and in second argument we have write descending order. It will add order by clause in select query. Lastly, we have write get method. This method will run select query, and return query execution data in array of object, which has been stored under $data variable. Below this, we have write return statement, with two argument. In first argument we have write view file name, import Excel, and second argument we have write compact function with data argument. This code will load import Excel view file in browser, and post table data will be fetched from this $data variable. Now we have go to resources folder / view folder and open import excel.blade.php file, and in this file we have already include jQuery and Bootstrap library. First we want to make form for upload Excel file, so we have write form method is equal to post, and encryption type is equal to multi-part form data for upload file. In action attribute, we have write Laravel expression, with URL method, and under this we have write import Excel /import, so when we have submit form, then it will send request to import method of import Excel controller. Under this form first, we have write Laravel expression and between it we have CSRF field function. We have used this function because we have post data to server. After this we have write input type is equal to file, and attribute name is equal to select file. By using tag we can select file from our local computer. And lastly under this form, we have write input type is equal to submit with attribute name and value is equal to upload. By clicking on this button we can submit form data to server. Below this form, we want to display existing customer data on web page, so we have make one table with 6 table column like customer name, gender, address, city, postal code and country. After this we have write at the rate for each loop, with condition like $data variable as $row variable. By using this loop, it will fetch data from $data variable. For close at the rate for each directive, we have write at the rate end for each directive. Between this, in first column we want to display customer name, so we have write Laravel expression, with $row customer name object. In second table column, we want to print gender details, so here we have write Laravel expression, with $row with gender object. In third table column, we have write Laravel expression, with $row with address object, it will print address details. Same way for print city details, here we have write Laravel expression, with $row with city object. After this, for print postcode details, so we have write Laravel expression, with $row with postal code object. And in last table column, we want to print country details, so we have write Laravel expression, with $row country object. This way it will print customer data on web page. Now we have go to import Excel controller and here we have make import method with $request argument. It will receive Excel file upload request for import data. First want to set validation rules, So here we have write $this with validate method, with 2 argument. In first argument we have write $request variable, and in second argument we want to define validation rules. For define validation rules, in key we have write select file, and in value we have write validation rules like required, file extension XSL and XLSX. This condition will check, we have select any file or not. If we have select any file, then that file must be Excel sheet file. If this validation rules not follow, then it stop execute code, display validation error. But suppose all validation rules pass successfully, then it proceed for import Excel sheet data. So, below we have write, $path variable is equal to, $request variable, with file method, with input file name select file, with get real path method. This method will return, temporary path of selected file, which has been stored under $path variable. Now, here we will use mod website Excel package, for import Excel file data in MySQL, so first we want to download package, and install in our Laravel application. So first we want to download this package, so we have go to command prompt, and here we have write composer required mod website /excel, and press enter. This command will install this package into our Laravel application. Once it has been downloaded, and installed in our Laravel application, so we have open config folder /app.php file, and here we have add this line at the bottom of providers array. After this, we want to again add Excel facade to the bottom of the aliases array. After adding this line, we have now saved this page, and now we can use this Excel package in our application. For user Excel library, under this controller, here we have write use statement with Excel. By using this code, we can use Excel package under this controller. Now we have go to import method, and here we have write, $data variable is equal to, Excel class, with load method, and under this method we have write $path variable, with get method. Here, this load method will load a file, and by using get method, it will return all sheets and rows data, which has been stored under $data variable. After this we have write, if statement, and under condition, we have write $data variable with count method. This method will return true, if $data variable has some data. Under this loop, we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write, $data with toArray method, as $key with $value method, this toArray method, with convert array of object to array. Under this loop, again we have write, for each loop, and under condition, we have write $value variable, as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write, $insert data variable is equal to, array, with first key customer name, with value get from $row customer name variable. In second key, we have write, gender, with value get from $row gender variable. In third key, we have write address, with value get from $row address variable. In fourth key, we have write city, with value get from $row city variable. In fifth key, we have write postal code, with value get from $row postcode variable. And in last key we have write country, with value get from $row country variable. This way we have store Excel sheet data, in $insert data variable. Now we have write, if statement, and under condition, we have write not operator with empty function with $insert data variable. If $insert data variable has some value, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write database class, with table method. Under this we have write customer table, with insert method, with $insert data variable. This code will make insert query, with data get from $insert data variable, and insert data into customer table. Lastly, we have write return statement, with back method. This method will redirect page to last visited page. After this, we have add with method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write success, and in second argument we have write message like, Excel data imported successfully. This message will be display on web page. For display validation error and success message, so we have go to, import excel.blade.php file, and here we have write at the rate if directive, with condition like count function with $error variable value greater than 0. For close, this if block of code here, we have write at the rate end if statement. This condition will check, if $error array has some value, then it will execute this if block of code. Suppose above condition true, then it will execute this block of code, and under this we have write at the rate for each directive, with $errors with all method as $error. By using this directive, we can fetch error from this $error variable, and display on web page, and for close this directive we have write this at the rate end for each. Under this block, we have write list tag, and between this tag, we have write 2 bracket, and between this bracket, we have write $error variable. It will print all validation error on this page. After this, we want to display success message on web page, so we have write at the rate if statement, and under condition we have write, $message is equal to, session class, with get method, with success argument. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code, and for display success message, here we have write, Laravel expression, with $message variable, it will display success message. Same way for close if directive, here we have write at the rate end if, this way we can close if directive in Laravel. Lastly, we want to set root of controller method, so we have to roots folder, and open webpage.php file. Here we have write, root class, with get method, and under this we have write two argument like, import Excel, and import Excel controller at the rate index. So, in browser, when we have type base URL / import Excel, then it will called index method of import Excel controller. Below this, we have write, root class with post method, and under this we have write import Excel / import, and in second argument we have write import Excel controller at the rate import. This code will set root for import method. Now we want to start Laravel application, so we have go to command prompt. And here we have write php artisan serve command, it will start Laravel application. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we have type base URL / import Excel, so here we can see upload file form, and below this we can see existing customer data on web page. Now, first want to check validation working or not, so we have directly click on submit button. After click on submit button, we can see validation error on web page. Now we have select image and again, click on submit button. So, again we can see validation error like only, Excel sheet file allowed for upload. Now we have select, this Excel sheet and again click on submit button. After click on submit button, here on web page we can see success message, and below in customer data, we can see Excel sheet data, has been imported in MySQL table. So, this way we can import Excel sheet data into MySQL table by using mod website Excel package, in Laravel framework. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.